Today we're making chocolate covered strawberries. They're perfect for any special occasion, whether one-on-one with a loved one or in a party setting. In Chinese medicine, dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate is bitter in taste, and it's associated with the fire element. The fire element's all about love and connection, so these are perfect for Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or even a graduation celebration. We're going to start with washed organic strawberries. Place them in a dry kitchen towel, and we're going to dry them off thoroughly because if you don't, the chocolate will slide right off. So make sure every strawberry is individually dried. Now that the strawberries are nice and dry, it's time to start melting the chocolate. In a double boiler, you're going to add a cup of mini chocolate chips. Here I'm using semi-sweet, and you're going to stir them until they're nice and smooth. Put them in a bowl that's wide enough for you to easily be able to dip the strawberries. Repeat the process with vegan white chocolate chips and get your station ready with any toppings in a tray lined with parchment paper. You're going to take each strawberry and dip it into one of the chocolates. Here I'm using the semi-sweet chocolate. And then you're going to place it on the parchment lined tray that you have prepared. The parchment paper prevents the strawberries from sticking when you're ready to lift them up. I like to alternate between the two types of chocolate because it's visually very beautiful and gives more variety for people to choose from. And now the fun part is decorating. So using coconut or even drizzling a little bit of the other flavor of chocolate so it gives a nice contrast. It's totally okay if it's kind of messy. You can use a fork or a spoon. And I've also got some mini chocolate chips that I'm going to add here. And I also have some crushed dried strawberries. So really your imagination is the only limit here. If any of the strawberries dry too fast before you get the toppings on there, just dip them again, and then you can also dip things in the toppings directly like I'm doing here with chocolate chips. Now that we're done decorating, it's time to place them in the fridge so they can harden up. After about 30 minutes, they're ready to go, so plate them up and enjoy. These chocolate covered strawberries are so good, and I hope you and your loved ones will enjoy them. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gluten-free and dairy-free recipes.